Wacky Fables, how to play. The object of the game is to stab one another in the back for the most points. Give each player a random character card which they place face up in front of them. Each character card has a unique special ability. Return the remaining character cards to the box. Shuffle the deck and deal cards as follows: 4 for 2 or 3 players, 3 for 4 players, or 2 for 5 or 6 players. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. Place the remainder of the deck face down on the table as a draw deck. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, draw one card from the deck, then you may choose to play one card from your hand if you want. All the cards say what they do. Misfortune cards are given to your opponents, and fortune cards are given to yourself. Misfortune cards can be negated with a correct undo card, or given to another player with a redirect card. Cards that don't play next to character cards go to a central discard pile. Some cards can be played during another player's turn immediately to stop or undo a card from being played. Some cards swap fortune, misfortune, or cards in players' hands with another player, while other cards can reveal opponents' hands, cards in the draw deck, or stop a card from being played. On your turn, you can activate your character's ability if you want, but you can only activate it once per game. When you do, flip the character card over. After you play a card, or choose to play no cards, the next player goes. The game ends when a player draws the last card and ends their turn, or if the end card is played without another player undoing it. Each player calculates their points based on the value of all the cards next to their character, and the player with the most points wins.